So we're just gonna explore and try to see if we can find some maybe chutes for waterfalls or anything, because this goes along the base of the Kola mountain. So we'll see. It's a part of the Naala Heli Trail, so it's pretty open. It's nice and clear. So I have my lockers with me in case we need to bushwhack or, you know, clean up and stuff. According to governor's rules, you know, you gotta stay home unless you're an essential worker, or you can go and exercise outside, but you can't really socialize. Just do your own thing, working out, go home. So usually we go and eat after we hike, but I guess we're gonna have to stop doing that. Instead, we're just gonna hike on the trails. It's perfect because no one's out and about. Today's a crazy day. It's a crazy time with this lockdown order, but I'm just very appreciative that I still get to work and enjoy my favorite hobby, which is hiking out here on the trails. So the clouds are starting to roll in. As you can see, the top of the kolas are all socked in. Hopefully there's rain. It's coming. Oh no. It's raining harder. We're surrounded by a lot of mulefoot ferns, these guys. And mulefoot ferns, they love to live by the streams. So if you ever see one, you're probably close to a water source. They're huge, there's a lot all over. Actually, this is a tunnel right here. It used to be deep. Oh, you okay? Yay! He's washing the smile. Okay, so this is our turnaround point. We're gonna head back out now. It's raining now. Entirely socked in.